Hello everyone. Welcome to a quick demo of JewelGen AI by VHIS Technology. In this demo, I will show you how JewelGen AI helps jewelry brands convert raw product images into model images, white background or backdrop images, as well as it generates ready to use product descriptions all using AI. This is built specifically for jewelry, keeping brand aesthetics and catalog consistency in mind. This is typical raw jewelry image. Good product, but not ready for catalog, e-commerce or marketing. Traditionally, this would require a photo shoot, models, editing and copywriting. With JewelGen AI, we start by uploading raw jewelry image. No specific preparations are required. The platform automatically understands the jewelry type, metal, and the structure. We allow the user to select the output category, whether a model photography or a product backdrop. Let's select model photography for this beautiful diamond piece. We also allow the user to select the visual theme, the dimensions, as well as the ethnicity of the model. We can also select the age and gender of the required model. Let's generate the output for this. While the output is getting generated, let's talk about the brand identity. We allow the brand to select and create the brand identity for the output. You can name the identity created, upload the reference model image, select the diversity, age, and if any style preference is needed. Once that is done, just create the persona and select before generation. In the gallery section, you will see the output result. We selected the Vogue editorial and this is the output. These are lifestyle ready visuals created without any photo shoot. Ideal for catalogs, websites and campaigns. You will notice consistent lighting, natural pose and premium look that works across collections. This is the complete transformation, a raw image into ready to sell visual content. All outputs are consistent, scalable and aligned to the jewelry brand standards. JewelGen AI also generates product descriptions automatically. This includes titles and descriptive copy that highlights craftsmanship, materials and designs, which team can directly use or refine. This saves a lot of manual efforts when managing large catalogs. At JewelGen AI, we understand managing large catalogs can be very difficult, and that's why we provide bulk downloads, bulk uploads, as well as automated processes to deal with your large catalog. Brands typically use JewelGen AI to reduce discrepancy on photo shoots, speed up collection launches, and standardize their entire catalog. It works especially well for seasonal collections and large inventories. If you would like to see this applied to your own products, we are happy to run a quick demo or pilot for you. Thank you for watching. Looking forward to connecting with you.